Hello, if you want to transfer files between your USB drive and your Google Pixel 10 Pro, then first of all, for sure, you will have to plug it in, just like that. There we go. Now on the top on the left side, you can find that notification with USB drive, so you will have to click Explore, and right now you will have to select all of your files that you want to copy. So let's say that I've got something from my PS5, I believe. Yeah, there's some kind of a photo. And what I have to do is just to select the photo that I want to copy. Of course, you can select multiple files if you want, also the whole folders. Now you will have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner and select Move or Copy. If you want to copy and let those files to also stay on the drive, just select Copy. If you want to completely move them from your USB drive, or for example from your phone, select Move. So in my case, I'm gonna copy, and now select internal storage of your Google Pixel 10 Pro and pick your folder. Now click to copy here. And it actually looks the same if you want to transfer files from your Google Pixel 10 Pro. So we have to open the Google Files application. You will have to go below for all storage, open your internal storage, make sure that you have select everything that you want to move to your USB drive, click on the three dots, select copy or move, and select your USB drive. That's all, and thanks for watching.